Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem if your keyboard doesn't have a caps lock, NumLock and scroll lock indicator, lamp indicator. So you doesn't know a if your keyboard or your system in the caps lock states or NumLock states. So you can do it via software. You can go to the caps lock indicator, just write caps lock indicator on your website, on your Google Chrome for example. This is caps lock's on-screen display that you can download. Here you can click download button and then try to download the latest version, and after you download it you can install. And this is the overview how the application looks like. This is the interface, caps lock indicator. So you can turn on this NumLock or caps lock or scroll lock manually via this software, and also there's a show notification when NumLock change, caps lock change, scroll lock change, and you can start on log on. So also when you first start your computer, it will this app will show for you on the start app, or you can hide it here. So you can use this software freely. So but this is very helpful if your keyboard doesn't have a notification lamp or indicator. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click this button below.